Hey guys, it is the 5th of August. We're going on our August camping trip in a couple weeks. Not much happening. I planted a food plot a couple weeks ago. I might go out and check it later on today. I didn't do much yesterday. It was kind of crappy, on off rain. Today is on off rain, hot and humid. It's about 89 degrees out. Just one buck is just staying here in the shade, so oh well. So yesterday I went and painted inside the ice shack, and I'll show you. I'm gonna do oops. This is one coat only. I just figured I'd go and yeah, to see how humid it is. But yeah, brightened it up quite a bit in here. I went through a whole gallon and I did one thick coat, and it just sucked it right back. The wood just sucked it right back in. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go get another gallon and paint it again, and we gotta do the roof. Otherwise, ain't much going on here. It's pretty much things just. Maybe I'll give you guys a ride, show you what I did on the food plot. We'll have to see they play. I was gonna watch a Brewer game today. They've been doing pretty well lately. Mowed the lawn this afternoon after the game. Oh, I did get, look at this is awesome. I just doesn't irritate me. Finally, after how many years, no apples, and this thing is loaded. These are Granny Smiths. I know that. The thing's just loaded with apples. Things are huge. I mean, last year, look at that. Last year there was a bunch of apple, what do you call them? Like buds or whatever, but I didn't have that much apples, and this year's turned out loaded. So we'll take a ride out to the to the stand, show you my food plot, see if it came up. Be interesting. I haven't been out there for a while, so we'll see in a little bit. So we're up on the food plot, and bugs are bad up here, like your normal. So, I'll show you guys. This is planted like a week, almost 2 weeks ago. It's not too bad. It's coming up okay. It's all spotty. Well, it's not spotty, but it's got to fill in. But yeah, it's some kind of canola crunch. I didn't buy it. The guy who owns the land wanted me to try it, so he gave me the bag and said, "Oh, plant this stuff, but only plant half the bag." Alrighty then, I'll plant half of recommended of the bag. Well, not the recommended, but what he wanted. I should have planted the whole bag because that's what was recommended, but whatever. We'll go to the other food plot and I'll show you that. Well, here's the other food plot. I didn't plant nothing on it. That's why it's just dug up. I'm going to dig it up one more time, and then I'll plant it next weekend, probably like Sunday. This will be that winter wheat and winter rye. Sorry. I figured I'm going to give this one a good dose of winter rye again this year, and then I'll plant something else, probably honey hole in this one. Give it a couple more years for the trees to mature. I think I'm putting a ground plant in them pines there. right in the middle of the food plot. Oh, maybe. We'll check and see. Where I should put one, because I know they come from way over there. They came, swoop back around, come through here, and go to the other food plot, which is right over there. Make sure it's right over there. But they'll hit this one for a little bit, and then go hit the other one for a little bit longer, and then go out to the ag field. All there is out there is alfalfa. There's no corn planted this year. Thank God. Maybe we should go check the apple tree once. So that apple tree has been planted for about, I don't know, at least 10 years. No apples on it yet. I know we had one right where those stakes are at. Let's see. Wait, there's some stakes right there. There was some there, but that one died. We had one planted up in there and one on the other side, and they all died. This is the only one that made it. I don't know why. We had one up on top. Actually, there was one up on top of the hill by the other food plot. I don't know why they all died except this one. We did water the shit out of them. The neighbor wanted to plant some more, but at $90 a tree this year, there's no way. It'd be nice, but I can't afford that $90. It's not my land. I'm not going to buy it. Anyways, I'm going to put the camera up next weekend too. God dang it. Start getting some pictures on some deer, hopefully. I didn't feel like putting cameras up this early this year. Don't know why, but usually when I do it's just mainly does and fawns, and it just burns the camera. I think I might get 2 more cameras yet. Otherwise I probably won't make another video till we go on a camping trip. So, because next video, I mean, if I would do any video, it'd be next week and me just plowing or doing one more drag of that food plot and planting the winter rye. So it'd be dang it, mosquitoes. So yeah, and this is all I'm going to say for now. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. This is not what you see every day. Oh, what he's doing? Spraying corn across the road. I see airplanes all the time spraying, but I don't see the helicopter at all. I know this guy's down in Plover spraying potato fields. They usually bring the plane. He's going to the other field. So he went and refueled. They're getting on the load. He'll be coming back through. Let me see if I can get him coming in, but he'll be coming over the house. step on the steps here. Yeah, wait till me the goddamn trees in the yard. I can't get good